In primetime news tonight, 2 persons dead after house fire in St. Catherine. JCF reform, what's in store? The police commissioner outlines his plans. And why a mayor is calling for a commission of inquiry into the JCF.
Good evening and welcome to Primetime News on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Archibald Gordon.
And I am Janella Perseus. Also this evening, the top business stories of the day, and Herman Green has our preview.
Thank you, Janella. Well, it's the business of water. In light of the ongoing water issues, the government is now asking for help from the private sector. I'll have the details on the proposed investor opportunities in the financial week.
And Jordan, what's happening in sports?
Well, Archie, one Olympic champion is saying that Jamaican fans could expect a championship record at the IWF World Relays this weekend. I'll tell you who and in what event in Primetime Sports Friday.
Sounds good. There's also sports commentary, E-Prime, and weather in this newscast. But before the break, the feedback question.
This evening we're asking, what reforms would you like to see in the police force?
You can share comments online, facebook.com/Television Jamaica, and tweet us at Television Jam.
Please stay with us. The news in detail right after this break.